Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check-in stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Okay, y'all, they've got a new way of trying to get a stimulus bill passed. Let me tell you about it. The government has 22 days to pass the government spending budget, or the government shuts down and the people are sent home. Really? Well, it looks like our government really likes going home and not working. A lot of politicians are saying they need to add together the stimulus package and the government funding bill. So they would be forced to pass a stimulus bill if they want the government funding budget to pass. Let me know in the comments, do you think that they would ever let this happen? Personally, I don't think so, but it's a good thought. I wish they would get it like that. Then we can get a stimulus package. If they want their pet projects done, we get our stimulus package. It makes sense to me. Chuck Schumer said that the president is acting childish for fighting the election results, and he should be focused more on helping the American people get a stimulus package passed. I agree, President Trump is acting like a baby, but he's fitting in really good with everyone else because they are all acting like big crybabies. Schumer also said the Republicans are scared of President Trump, so it makes it hard for them to focus on the fight for a stimulus package because they are worried about what President Trump will tweet about them. That's pitiful. It took them this long to come up with that excuse. I could have done better than that. Nancy Pelosi has said that she would only run for Speaker of the House for 2 times and then step down. Well, thank God for that. If we make it through another 2 years with her, we will be done with her. Now, that's only if you believe what she says. Most of the time, I have trouble with that. Trump's campaign is dropping their lawsuit in Michigan and will be paying $3 million in fees to recount West something. They're going to be counting more votes, and they're going to be paying $3 million in fees for that recount. I can't read my own writing. But man, wouldn't it be nice if we had $3 million just to throw away because you didn't get your way? Must be nice. New unemployment cases. That was the case count that was released on Thursday. 742,000 Americans filed for unemployment for the first time. This is the first time in a month for an increase in new cases. The COVID vaccine. The government plan for passing out the COVID vaccine will come in 4 stages. Stage 1, healthcare workers, the elderly, people with health problems will get it first. Phase 2, prisoners, people in detention centers, people that are homeless in homeless shelters. Teachers and essential workers will get it in phase 2. Phase 3 is devoted strictly for children. Phase 4, young adults and everyone else. %58% of Americans say that they will get the vaccine when it comes available. 42% say they will not get it. Now I'm going to ask y'all, what do you think about these 4 phases of passing out the vaccine? Let me know in the comments below. If you agree with it, do you think it's fair? And do you really think it will happen soon? Stimulus package. Nancy Pelosi. It's looking like she is cooperating with the negotiations for the government funding budget. Mitch McConnell says that he hopes to have the government funded by the end of the week. Well, today is Friday. But wow, wouldn't it be nice if they worked this fast for a stimulus bill for the American people? Wouldn't it be nice? The White House Chief of Staff says it's a priority that we keep the government funded so the people in government can keep getting their paychecks. That's what he really needs to say. He needs to tell the truth. So hell yeah, they will get that done. But still, nothing for the American people. Pfizer will apply today to the FDA for an approval to use their vaccine in emergency cases. The vaccine has a 95% effective rate. The drug company Moderna has a vaccine ready to go also with a 95% effective rate. There is a Russian drug company that also has a vaccine ready to go with a 92% effective rate. Y'all, today Pfizer is applying for their approval, and it looks like the approval is all but done. It looks like the FDA is not going to have a problem with approving this. I hope not anyway. Lockdowns are happening right now, state by state. And the governors of them states has the right to call for a lockdown. They are the ones in charge of the state, not the federal government. So the governors is the one calling for the lockdowns. If your state is locking down, tell us about it in the comments below and how you are handling it personally. Lawmakers are locking down states, locking down businesses, putting people in quarantine, while they can continue to live large and go to big birthday parties for their friends and not wear a mask. This is just a slap in the face when they go to these fancy French restaurants and not wear a mask. But yet everybody else has to lock down, close down, and maybe their businesses come back and maybe they won't. But the lawmakers are still living large on our tax money. And when we need some of that tax money back, it's been 6 months now, and we ain't got it yet, while they continue to live large spending our tax money. Great government in the United States. Y'all, me and my wife went live last night for our late night with Walter and Amy show. If you wasn't able to make it, please check it out. It's on this channel. We do it every night at 9 p.m. We go live. We learned how to do the live stream now, so we're going to be doing it live. Y'all please check it out. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics there. We just have a lot of fun. It is so much fun. If y'all hadn't ever seen one of the shows, please check it out. And the beauty of it is, if you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But please try it out one time just to see if you like it. Y'all please watch the video popping up here now and keep your faith in Jesus. He will get us through this. I have 100% faith in Him. We're going to get through this. But it's going to be in His time, not our time. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus. Say a prayer every day for our country, our leaders, everyone that's been hurt by COVID, everyone that's been hurt by the actions of their governments all around the world. Y'all, please don't let your guard down. Please continue to wear your mask and continue to social distance at least 6 feet away. We know this vaccine is coming, and it's coming in just a few weeks. But if everything goes great, it's maybe a month or 2 months before we can get the vaccine. And you know, if you get COVID, it normally takes you out in a week to 2 weeks, if it takes you out. I know that rate is falling now. A lot of people are surviving it. But do you want to take that chance? If it's going to take you out in a week or 2 weeks, and it may be a month or 2 months before we get the vaccine, you do the math. Is it worth it? Mask up and stay social distance. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up and leave your comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, ciao. I love you all.